Okay, this is Numbers 10, 11 through 12, and verse 33. I think our picture's in the way here. I thought I left enough room, but I guess I didn't. Okay, so it came to pass on the 20th day, the second month. Okay, 20th day, second month. And this is where the tabernacle was taken up. They had to move. So the cloud settled down in the wilderness of Paran. They set out in the wilderness. Okay, so they departed from the mountain of Yahweh on a journey from 3 days. And the ark of the covenant of Yahweh went before them for 3 days' journey to search out a resting place for them. Okay, so I'm going to take, I took my Bible
day,
and I looked
month.
at the 20th day of the second month, and I looked at my Bible and I got my calendar out and I go, huh, that's interesting. So let's go on to the next one. So I looked at the second month, I looked at the 20th day, and then, 1, 2, 3 days journey, and they were looking for a place to rest. So, oh wow, hey, Shabbat is a good place to rest.
That's when they rest and they cease from their work and
Yes.
they draw closer to God and just reflect on Him.
And I thought, that's more than a coincidence that I can pull up the day and count 3 days and you come to the resting place for them. Because remember, their lives, and our lives should too, revolve around the Shabbat and the feast days. That should be our life. And if it's not your life, then I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, that's too big of a coincidence for me to think that this calendar is worthless or, put together by a bunch of nonsense. Let's go on to the next one.